welcome back to our channel Miles on Bike. So in this video I'll be talking about an app which will be definitely useful for all the bikers out there, especially the Royal Enfield bikers. You might have heard about the Royal Enfield app which I'm showing right here. This is the app which you get in Google Play Store and also in iOS. So I'll be telling you about the things which you can use in this app. This app is actually really user friendly. See, this is how the application looks, where you have a community option over here. Motorcycle is nothing but the details about your vehicle. Navigation I'll come to that part later, and make it yours. So I'll be telling you in detail what are the things you can do with the application. So let's go, guys. So first thing is, when you open the app, you'll find this display, and later here you have three options: service, roadside assistance, and support. So in service, as you know, if you click on that, what happens is it will show your service history. Like if you want to schedule a service, or you want to view your history, or you want to unschedule the service, or you want to select the service center where you want to give your bike for service, and date of service. Say for example you want to give your bike for service tomorrow, you can select the date over here. So here in the service history you can select this, and you can see the history of your bike. For example, if you have any ongoing service which you have already applied, so if you click on this, you will be able to see the ongoing service, like whether they have changed the oil or what's the status of the vehicle. Everything you will be able to see it over here. And once if you select this, book your service now, it will ask you for the date and time of the service, as I told you earlier. So you can select any one of this and book your service. In case if you have any specific issue, say like there are some generic problems, ones there which are mentioned over here, something like general service, motorcycle polish, engine polish, motorcycle wash, or else engine noise is there, pickup is not good, engine oil needs to be changed, the clutch cable is hard, clutch noise is there, or related to vehicle, brake noise, poor braking, chain noise, hard brake cable, wheel alignment, suspension noise, steering hard in the sense if you are trying to turn the handle, it will be really hard. And the later comes the warning lights which are related to electrical, such as indicators not working, headlights are not working, or weak battery, something like that. In case if you don't have the issues listed in these four categories, you can also type in. Say for example you had a pickup issue, or engine had some different kind of noise, or timing chain was not as some issue, you can just mention it over here, and if you continue, what happens is it will directly take as a service booking, and you will get a message from Royal Enfield. So that is one. And next is the roadside assistance. So you might wonder, what is the roadside assistance? So well, when you are planning to purchase a bike, it may be a Himalayan or classic or standard, any Royal Enfield bike, you will get this option when you are buying the bike. So here all you have to do is you have to enter your location where your bike is broken down. So say for example you have met with some puncture or any issue with the bike, you can select the address over here and your mobile number, and here you can mention what's your current location type. Say for example you are stuck in the road, you can select that, or else your vehicle is not starting and is in home, you can select residence office. So once you select that, click on next. So it will show you these many options where you can select the issue of your vehicle. Say for example the bike is met with accident, select accident. If not, it's related to electrical, select electrical, tire, engine. If anything is not within this, you can also mention other issue as well. Once you selected and confirm, your booking will be confirmed, and the roadside assistance will you will get the help from them. And the next thing is the support. In this you have 4 options. DIY is nothing but a small video of how to use the tripper navigation, how to use the tripper navigation from your phone onto the bike. That video is there, that I will be showing you later in this video. Ride show, you might be wondering what is ride show. It's like a compensative program for all the Royal Enfield motorbike. So usually it comes with 3 years extended warranty and 1 year roadside assistance by default when you're purchasing the bike. But you can, with this ride show program, you will get a coverage of, as it's mentioned here, 5 years or 50,000 kilometers, whichever is near, and roadside assistance and annual maintenance contact also will be provided to you if you go for ride show program. Because I have taken it, so I am getting the benefit out of it. If you want, definitely you can also have a look into it, and you can consider taking it. Next is the roadside assistance. As I told you, this is the toll-free number which you will be getting there after you book. If you have the app, no worries, you have the contact number over here itself. It's like a 24/7 emergency support service for your motorcycle, which is really helpful for each and every biker, because you never know when the motorcycle might have a problem, or you might get into trouble when the bike might get punctured while traveling. All these things might happen. So this kind of roadside assistance is like a plus point, is what I feel. And the last one is, as I told you, contact us, where you can, if you have any queries or concerns, you can drop an email at support@royalenfield.com, or else you can contact the toll-free number which is mentioned on top of that. So this is all about the first page which I showed you. Now let's go to the next one, which is the community. Community is nothing but the news and launches of the new vehicles or anything related to Royal Enfield. You will be definitely able to see from here. Also, any rides are happening from Royal Enfield, but currently due to the COVID situation, as you all know, it's completely stopped. So nothing is there as such. If in case anything is there, you will get a notification over there. Okay, and this is what you get in the community center, where you will get launches, events, any events are happening, everything you will be getting the notifications over here. So next is the motorcycle, which I already showed you. And the interesting part, what I liked about this app, is Make It Yours program which you get. So this is how the Make It Yours program application works in works. So here, once you select that new configuration, it will ask you the state and city. So once you confirm that, it will ask you the details, like they have this many products over here, like Bullet 350, Himalayan, GT and Interceptor, Meteor, and the new Classic. So I'll be going for the Classic. Here again you have multiple tank color options as well. You can select here also directly. If not, you can directly go to configure and also select. It's a two-way. Here you have only one option, that is only to select the color of the bike. But once you go inside the configuration, I'll just show you. There you will have multiple options, like you can accessorize your bike basically with the option. Say we'll take this color and we'll go configure now. Okay, what happens, mobile it asks you to tilt. So once you're done, it will show you the how to use this application, like zoom in, zoom out, rotate, everything. So once you're aware of all those things, next is it will show you the bike. So we selected this color. So as you can see, I am able to view the 360 degree of the bike. Here again I have the option to change the color. If in case I want to go for different set of color, I can select from this option which is present over here. So I will go with the Halcyon green. So once I click on that, automatically the complete bike color changes, as you can see here. So once I have selected the tank, next you get two set of mirrors available which you can purchase, which you can install here. One is the bar end mirrors. So for that it will also ask you to add on the bar end mirror mounts. So for example, if you add it, see automatically what happens, the mirror fits directly onto the bike. So it will be easy for us to view how the bike will look if the bar end mirrors are there. In case I don't want the bar end mirrors, I can select this, but first you need to remove the previous option which you have selected. If you remove those two, voila. So it is now with the normal good quality mirrors. And next what you can do is, I have selected this, I will keep it that way, and I can also change the headlamp setup which is over here. See the stock one, actually I'll show you. So the stock one which comes like this when you buy the vehicle default. In case you don't want that, either you can go for this, the silver. So the beak which was on top of it, it will not be there. So the bike will look something like this. In case if you are going for black, you have the black treatment as well. So this is one. You also have multiple options for wheels as well. So in wheels you have two type of mag wheels, as you can see it here. Say I like this design, I select this, automatically you will be able to change the complete outlook of the bike just by selecting over here instead of going and purchasing different parts. Next is the protection which you usually need on your bike, like the engine guard. Engine guards are nothing but the crash guard which they mentioned. So in one crash guard you have multiple options, almost 6 to 7 color variation of crash guards are there. I have chosen this. So next you have only one sump guard. Sump guard is nothing but which comes under the engine, something like this. See, once I applied it, so it is showing me where the sump guard will actually come. This was actually first introduced in Interceptor. So they are giving it for other bikes as well now. So I have selected this. Now let's go to the comfort. So in the comfort option you have seats, variety of seats, windshield is there, panniers is there, backrest and foot pegs. Let's see what are all those things. So in seat you have two options, the black color one and the brown color one. So you also get the price, and one more thing, you also get the price along with the product when you are selecting the options here. So already by default the brown color is there, so we will not go for that. Yes, excuse me. So windshield, so this I think it's there from very long time, this one particular windshield. It was there from the previous generation Royal Enfield. Yes, so the same thing they have given as an option. So it looks pretty neat actually, looks like a cruiser. And panniers, you have box panniers also, this clothed material, waterproof inner bags as well. We'll see how it looks. So for buying the pannier you need to take the rail also, pannier rail. So we'll add that. So this is how it looks. I think this is only for one side, it's not a two-way. So if I want a two-way, we do have an option, I believe, this one. So again you need to select this. Also you have a rear rack. Let's see how the rear rack looks. Okay, it's almost similar to the older rear racks which was there. It looks nice. And we have backrest. So backrest you have two options, so you need to, I think you need to add both of this. Let's see how the backrest will be. Okay, the color option is really good for this. And next, foot pegs. Then foot pegs also have option, so the foot peg also looks really neat, so we'll take that as well. And one important thing which you will get in this, you can custom name yourself on the tank. For example, I'll mention here, I'll just show you. So I have mentioned here, I mentioned the name, add. So you will get some writings over here, so it will be like a badge, personalized badge. So once I select that, see, so your name will be here. So when the time of purchase, everything will be able to see, and which from where the custom build was made, all those details will be embedded on the tank. So this is also one good feature which you get over here. And plus you also get the estimated value also when you are adding the products onto the bike. And also, if say for example you have selected all this, but you are also looking for option, what you can do is you can save this so that maybe future you might need this configuration. So based on that you can reconfigure if you want something else. So I have saved this. So this is done. So I'll come back. So this is one which will be useful. See, these were the things which I had selected from the list that time which I showed you while applying on the bike. So the total cost came up to 2,76,000 something. So EMI also you have option. So I am just going to save it. Save. So this is done. So I'll close this now. So this is how you can use your make it yours app using this. And here also you have the save configuration, right? If you want to see what are the vehicles which you have saved, you can also check that. See, earlier I was just going through it, so I have done couple of configuration myself, so I can see that as well. So that is one. And this is nothing but the profile of your other details, personal details, like if you have any pending rides. So you have 4 options in case Royal Enfield has any as organized a ride, they have called you. So those details will be updated over here, like pending rides. If you have any pending rides left, that will be updated here. Any upcoming rides or any other ride which have gone with the Royal Enfield, or any rides which were rejected, all those things. And you will also get the details of your bike, year of manufacture, engine number, chassis number, and below the service history, this is what the service history you will get from the day you purchase. All those details also will be available over here. And bookings, in case you have not bought a bike but you have the application with you, you can book it from here and also you can see the details where what's the status of the booking. So that is that. So now let's go and see how the navigation works. So guys, now I have come near the bike. Now I will show you how the tripper navigation works. So I have a green Himalayan. So I'll show in this. So first you have to on the bike, wait for it to on. So this is the tripper navigation. Next go to navigate. So this is how the app will show you. Next I'll type in a destination. So once you type, you will get multiple options related to that particular location. So this is the location which I selected. And one thing you have to notice is the helmet which is over here. This is red now because it's not yet activated. So once I select get directions, so it will show me this map and navigate. So it asks me to connect it. I said okay and it asks me to allow it. So Bluetooth needs to be on. So once this is done, so this is how it should show when you are activating. Okay, so this is done now. I'll select this and go back, and now I'll select navigate.
Follow the route for in 150 meters.
So as you can see here, it already started showing me the directions. So it's like a turn by turn navigation which it will show you once you activate it, and it will also be telling you the each turn which you take. And as you observe, the helmet turned green. That means the navigation is on. So here you can see so by what time we will be reaching the location, and also what is the distance from here which I'll be doing all those things. In case I stop, it will show me the route summary. It's very small. I'll just tell you what are the things I'll be able to see there. So it's the average speed which I have taken, time taken, and the total distance what it will be showing over there. And also you can add waypoints. Say for example you are going in one location but you want to add stops, so you can just select that and you can add stops where you want to stop the bike. So now because I am not using anything, so it is in the orange color, the helmet. That means it's static. Also you will be able to find restaurants nearby, also fueling station, cafe, also hotels. So this is actually a very good application, definitely useful for all the Royal Enfield users. I hope I have explained you in detail about the app completely. In case if you have any doubt or concern, please do let me know in the comment section. Also share your valuable feedback because I'll be doing regular videos similar to this, so it will be helpful for me to give you more content going forward. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe for regular updates. So see you guys in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.